Our first presenters are two incredible individuals that embody excellence and vision. Paul McKenna, one of the world's foremost hypnotherapists and Britain's top-selling nonfiction author. His work has transformed millions globally, including my own. Joining Paul this evening on stage is Kari Oya, the brilliant leader behind Future Human and Mindvalley University. 5 years ago, Kari had the brilliant idea to suggest a vision of bringing the most epic conference in the most epic stage possible. 2 years of hard work, and today we're here because of this amazing lady. Let's welcome Paul and Kari to the stage, please.
So, very honored to be here tonight, ladies and gentlemen, in such distinguished company at the Oscars of personal development. Now, it's not easy putting on a workshop.
Especially on a platform like Mindvalley, which features world-class instructors. This one facilitator has been rated with the highest ratings in the past 1 year and has really touched thousands of people with her absolutely beautiful work. The award for the Workshop of the Year goes to the incredible Rachel Pringle. Unfortunately, Rachel couldn't be with us here today, but she has recorded us a message.
Goodness, thank you so much for this incredible honor. I feel so deeply grateful to be recognized in this way. It is my deepest passion and pleasure to serve and support women in this capacity, and I am so grateful to the Mindvalley community and team for creating a global platform for me to serve in this way, and most of all, to all of the women who show up with every ounce of their being to reclaim their power, to dance with me, to move with me, to breathe with me, to remember and use their voice once again. Thank you so much for this recognition. It is the utmost fuel and permission to do more of this work in the world. Thank you. I am so deeply honored.
Rachel Pringle, changing lives all around the world.
Thank you very much. Congratulations once again, Rachel, for an incredible achievement. Let's also thank Paul and Kari for presenting the award. Thank you very much for being here.